Welcome to Introduction of Nebula project. I'd like to start with the definition of key terms and underlying technology. First of all, Swarm. Swarm is a distributed storage platform and content distribution network, a native base layer service of the Ethereum Web3 stack. And second is PSS. PSS is Postal Service over Swarm, is a messaging protocol over Swarm with strong privacy features. And Nebula is messenger dapp based on PSS protocol over Swarm. You can see the interface of Nebula on the screen. Here is an account on the left top corner. The account is represented by identicon and public key. Below you can see the list of contacts and chats. They are empty for now. I have second account on my virtual machine. It looks pretty same. In order to connect to another account, I need to open the account page. Here we have public key and address of the account. Both values are too long and not readable. That is why we display shortened value with a copy button. We can copy and share the public key. In order to add contact, we need to open the invite contact form. Paste public key of the contact to the proper field. You may notice that we can use address of the contact as well. It optimizes search of the contact, but it is a bit tricky. You shouldn't reveal the whole address in order to keep privacy. That is why I would skip it for now. I sent a request only with the public key. You can see that request was sent. From second account perspective, there is a received contact request. I can check the request, look at the public key of a requester, and decide whether to decline or accept it. Then let's open a chat with a new client and send a message. There is a contact page which looks pretty similar to an account page. The only difference is that there is no way to change username for now. You may notice that address looks a bit different because there is no shorting. The reason is that when contact request was accepted, there was an address exchange between parties. Second account revealed address partially, for reason of privacy and forwarding optimization. It is possible to open the chat from the page. We have received a message. We can reply. Second account can see the received message. They can reply or share a file. The file uploads to Swarm. We can see the file hash here. First account can download the file and open. We can also set a username for the current account on the account page. It allows your contacts to see your username instead of the public key. It can only happen when a username has been updated before contact request was sent, because the data exchange happened on the event. There is a settings page where you can change PSS endpoint and BZZ endpoint. BZZ is an endpoint for the file sharing. Swarm opens the endpoint by default. Here is information about storage size. The dapp stores all data locally in your browser local storage. We need to refresh the page in order to see the actual size. I mentioned it a couple of times about the partial address revealing. Here we have a setting for it. You can set a size of an address to reveal. It is possible not to reveal your address at all. Then all messages will be broadcasted until they reach you. Default settings is 4 bytes. And the last info block is the version of the dapp. The dapp is open source. You can easily open the release or dive to code. Thanks for watching.